Hello, welcome back to another video. So I got some in the mail today. I ordered it probably like a week ago, 4 days ago. I don't know. Anyway, pretty happy. It should be what I expect it to be. And let's unbox it. So this box is a little bit bigger than my framing. Like, it's huge. For reference, it's a keyboard from Razer. It's the Razer BlackWidow Elite. So it's kind of a big box. It's probably like 1.5 feet by a foot. So it doesn't fit in my frame because I have a terrible top-down setup. But that's besides the point. My blade's falling out of my knife. You guys aren't gonna be able to see me actually opening all the tape on here because of how massive it is. But, you know, that's what happens when we're a budget YouTube channel. So I got this off of Amazon, and if you want to take a look at this keyboard, I can drop a link in the description for you. I don't know if it's going to be in stock. It's kind of been in and out of stock for the past couple months. Ooh. So I'll drop a link. I'll drop a couple links down there for you guys. You guys just kind of have to click through the various links to see what's available. This one is the BlackWidow Elite with, I think, green switches. They are tactile and clicky. You can't see that because it's out of the shot. But let me grab this out of the box for you. So I got this off of Amazon for, after shipping and tax, $200 and like almost $201, like $200.97 or something. I got it off of the used market off of Amazon, so it's like, obviously this box is not in the greatest shape, but the keyboard itself is brand new, and this should be an amazing upgrade from my keyboard, which I have now, which I can show you some B-roll of that. So I gotta take the tape off. Not the greatest condition box-wise, and you know, there's stickers and blah 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 all over it, so. But there's the keyboard itself. The keyboard itself looks like it's brand new. It just looks like this packaging is, oh, that key. Ooh. Some of these keys are falling out. There's an audio cable. The heck? Okay, so there is the keyboard itself. There's also some documentation in the box here. You can see just a thanks for purchasing our stuff. Just some stuff about the keyboard. Oh, what's that? Oh, look at that. And some stickers. Yeah, just your standard documentation that you find in just about any product ever. So the thing I was talking about earlier that was kind of funky is there's an audio jack. So I think for I/O on the keyboard itself there's a USB port and apparently also an audio jack that I didn't know of. So that's cool. Let's take the foam off the sides here. I believe it also came with an like a wrist rest, if I'm not mistaken. And there's our wrist rest. So it's just a foam wrist rest, nothing special, but better than nothing. A few of these keys are falling out. It sounds amazing. I know for any of you keyboard enthusiasts out there, if you're watching, are probably cringing at the fact that I chose a clicky switch as opposed to a tactile switch. I love tactile, but I also love clicky, right? So, oh, this one's falling out too. Get back on there. So yeah, I mean, apart from a few of these keys falling out, it's in perfectly fine condition from what I'm seeing. There is a light scratch on the housing. I don't know if you can see it, but up here. But nothing too bad, and it won't be a problem because it'll be covered by the wrist rest, which I think just magnetically attaches to the front, so it's not a problem. It's also not too high profile of a keyboard, so it's not going to be absolutely terrible on your arms, or not your arms, your wrists. So that's great. And then underneath just has the one cable run, as well as some feet here with two heights. There's the lowest height, well actually middle height, because lowest height would be down, as well as high. So you can see cable runs, you can either have it come out the back, as well as along the side of the keyboard out to the left or the right, or I guess left or right of the keyboard. But I think I'm just going to have it come out the back for now. So I'll just wedge that in there. It sounds fine, it's just a little bit wobbly. The stabilizers could have been a little bit better on there. It just uses the Razer Chroma, so the keys themselves, there's the switches light up, as well as these media keys here. You can see there's media keys. There's mute, forward, back a track, pause, play, as well as this knob. It's a nice little tactile knob that adjusts volume, if I'm not mistaken, as well as some indicator lights here for your num lock, as well as cap lock and various other different things. And then I believe this Razer icon here on the front also glows. But I think that's all we got for RGB on here. So obviously, as any gamer knows, RGB makes your frame rate higher, so that's why I got it. I'm not a gamer, so disregard everything I just said. And then on the side here, you can see we have a USB port as well as a headphone jack, which is nice. I will probably never use the headphone jack. I might use the USB port. I don't really know. Yeah, there's not really much to it. Let's read the box. What are some things that are important? The green is tactile clicky, orange is tactile and silent, and yellow is linear and silent. So linear is like your reds, orange is like your brown, and green is like your blue. It feels like high quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. It feels solid. Yeah, it feels comfortable. It's nice to type on. I like the sound it gives. Some of you guys are probably hating the fact that I got a clicky switch, but that's what I like, and you know what? You can't tell me otherwise. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a full-on review on this between school and life. I don't know if I'm going to have time to film, edit. So thank you for watching this video. If you made it to the end here, just drop a like on the video, comment what you liked. Yeah, there'll be links in the description if you want to pick up one like this. If you like this video, subscribe, come back for the next one. There should be some more interesting content.